Adding a border to a design can really enhance the look. So today we're going to take a look at how we can add borders to our documents. So head up to Elements and type in border, and we want graphics and we want see all. Here now we've got multiple options that are both free and part of Canva Pro. If you are not currently subscribed to Canva Pro and you would like a free 30-day trial, then click on the link in the description and that will give you access to all Canva Pro features for you to try them out. So here we can see we've got lots of different options. So if we was to choose this bow, we can add a bow to the top. We can then duplicate that and we can flip that vertically and we could pop that in the other top corner and that would make us a nice border. Likewise, you could find a border that would go in the bottom corner, that you may just want something nice and simple in the corner of your design, and that too would look very elegant. If you'd like a border that covers the whole of the design, then you can scroll through. Then like this border, we can see now that we can place that on our design and we can move that around and add that to where we want it to be, and that's provided us a nice border to our design. If you like a border that is taller like this one, but you want it to go on your square design, then there is a bit of a catch. You have to find a border that not only has the handles in the corner but also has the handles at the top and side, such as this one. So now we can see, look, this one's got the handles at the top and side. So if we delete off that border, we can now enlarge the border so the sides are at the sides of our design. Then we now need to double click inside and we've now got a crop option, and then if we go to 1:1 we can now see this is our crop lines. So in order to shrink that down, we need to hold the shift key and then we need to bring it down, and again with the bottom, hold the shift key, raise it up. Then when the design is within the frame, we can click done and then we can move that up, and there we can see we have made a A4 size border into our square border. But if it doesn't have the side handles, this is what happens. So if we get rid of that, so there we can see this one doesn't have the side handles, so we can enlarge that and then we can double click inside. We can go to 1:1, we can hold shift, but it doesn't shrink down, so we can move it like that, but we can't raise up the bottom without it raising up the whole of the design. So that is a bit of an issue. So just make sure that when you choose the borders, they have the side handles, and that will allow you to shrink them down to the size of your design. So that's an issue if you want to make an A4 border smaller. But if you've got an A4 design and you find an A4 size border, then obviously you can just enlarge that and that will just sit nicely inside of your design without having to crop it. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to apply borders to your designs inside of Canva. Don't forget to click on the link in the description if you are not currently subscribed to Canva Pro. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.